We're here today to tell you the 50 reasons you should ride a skateboard. Reason number 1, to look cool.
Number 2, because it's good exercise. 1, 2, 3. Feel the burn! 9, 10!
Number 3, because it gets you free stuff.
Number 4, because it's better than basketball.
Number 5, because all sports come together. Number 6, because you're golden.
Ow! Yes!
Number 7, the stanky leg. Number 8, dolphin flip. Number 9, because even if you don't make it, you're still a winner. Number 10, the butt slide. Number 11, body varials are cool. Number 12, Doug's back.
Number 13, pizza.
Number 14 is do whatever you want with your hair. Just anything goes.
Let's get it.
Number 15, you can pretty much film like anything. Right. First try.
Here, go again, go again.
Number 16, no slides. Number 17, there might be a single girl. Number 18, Fetty. Wow. Number 19, custom grip tape art.
Dang, that's fire.
Number 20, the mall grab. Number 21, Mongo pushing. Number 22, friends.
What?
Number 23, handrail.
Number 24, Heelys.
What's up, nerds?
Whatever, dude. Healing is too hard for me.
I think I lost the wheel. Wait, no wheels. What?
Number 25, Lil Crazy.
Number 26, Chick Takes Cars.
I think that's a reason not to skateboard.
Number 26, persistence. Number 27, that feeling when you land. Number 28, backspin. Number 29, creativity. Wow! Number 30, first try! Number 31, big balls. Number 32, you don't have to comply. Number 33, your favorite trick. Number 34, you could just show up late. Number 35.
Skateboarding made simple, where I learned tray flips and dolphin flips.
Number 36, squad.
What's up?
Number 37, when your mom comes to the skate park.
What are we saying? What?
Number 39, it's better than bowling.
Keep it.
Number 40, Slim Jims. Number 41, it'll help you find your true love. I love you, baby. Number 42, the shoes. Do we count that? 43, the music.
This girl is on fire.
Number 44, it can get weird. Number 45, landing your first kickflip. Number 46, it's dangerous. No.
Oh my God.
Number 47, the community.
Let's get this kid a new board, huh?
There you go. This was very well deserved. Very, very, very well deserved. Very well done. Boom. Good job. Number 48, ride and truck.
Let's do a big ollie, okay?
Skate that thing. Oh, what? Give me the rock. Boom.
Are you ready?
Oh, and he pops out. Oh yeah. Boosh. Number 49, the rip surf. Is that even really skateboarding?
Yes.
Reason number 50, because it's fun.
Happy birthday.
Oh my God.
Oh, it's actually so cold. Shifty.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we hope you enjoyed this video. We really want you guys to learn how to skateboard. We hope that you are. We hope that you're having a blast doing it. And we want to know, what is your reason for skateboarding? Did we cover it here? Or did we just cover a bunch of reasons that aren't really reasons? We don't even know. But leave it in the comment below, because we want to know what you guys think of what we think about the reasons. So leave your reasons in the comments below, and also let us know, which list video would you like us to make next? 50 reasons to what? 50 things for why? maybe 25, maybe 10. You never know. But thank you, 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 each and every one of you. You guys are the absolute best. I appreciate all of your help and support, and definitely check out the other videos in this playlist. Link in the description below. I will see you next time. Definitely check out Skateboarding Made Simple. It's available on all these platforms, iBooks, BrailleSkateboarding.com, and Google Play. It's the most comprehensive video we've ever made, and it teaches skateboarding better than anything else out there. You won't be disappointed.